Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on macOS. The easiest and most common method involves using an Android emulator, which creates a virtual Android environment on your computer. This allows you to download and run mobile games just as you would on a phone or tablet, but with the added benefits of a larger screen and keyboard and mouse controls. We'll guide you through the setup process step by step, ensuring you can jump into the action quickly and smoothly. To get started, you'll need to choose a reliable Android emulator like BlueStacks or Nox Player. Download the installer from their official website and follow the on-screen instructions to install it on your Mac OS device. Once installed, launch the emulator and sign in with your Google account, just like setting up a new Android phone. Then, open the Google Play Store within the emulator, search for Brawl Stars, and hit install. It's that simple to bring the game to your Mac. For the best experience, optimize your emulator settings. You can typically allocate more RAM, perhaps 4 GB, and 2 to 4 CPU cores to the emulator for smoother gameplay. Ensure your Mac meets the emulator's minimum system requirements, usually requiring at least 8 GB of RAM. Close any unnecessary background applications on your Mac OS to free up resources. Finally, a stable, high-speed internet connection is crucial for uninterrupted online battles. These adjustments will significantly enhance your gaming performance. While emulators are the top choice, other options exist. Cloud gaming services might offer some Android titles, though Brawl Stars availability can vary. Screen mirroring your iPhone or iPad to your Mac is another possibility, but it often introduces input lag, making fast-paced games challenging. For the most reliable and enjoyable experience, we highly recommend sticking with an Android emulator. It provides the best balance of performance and control. Give it a try and enjoy Brawl Stars on your Mac today.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.